Backtesting every day to treat better day 25. Continuing to just improve my bias. Already started a bit. Started like 5 minutes ago, so I'll start the timer. I'll start the timer at 5 minutes already. 5 minutes and start. Okay, and I'll just put on something to watch and I'll get right to it. I should have something I want to watch saved on my phone, so let me check that. Okay, I'll do that. Actually, let me continue to watch what I was watching. Okay, let's see. Oh, crazy cap down. I would be targeting higher. The early got this kind of gap. So yeah, delivering of the gap I'll look for shorts now, and that my trade will be to this gap. That would work out well. So the size I look for lower. The early, let's see, delivering of this gap. I'll be looking for shorts to hold these lows. Yeah, took all my targets. Then I would have shorts to this gap. And like Okay, I'm back. Gonna look for shorts. This gap, maybe. No, then will work both. Um, like my bias is working out really well. Okay, probably gonna go lower first. Also, the highs I would look for shorts. Let's see if these are that long get taken. Yep. Did we see the high first or the low first? Looks like we swept the high first. From here, I will look for higher with this gap now. Let's see, no longer worked at the gap. Something I'm seeing is like the first point of the best only working well. Okay, I'm back. Was on the phone with my girl. So far, like the device is it's like very well. I mean, it's for me easy to understand the higher time frame. Like in terms of targets. Okay, like here we got this huge gap. I'll target. Yeah, that would be a trade. Sub the low. I'm gonna look higher, obviously to the 4 hour gap on the hourly, delivering out the gap. Like longs right off open. No, I was wrong about that. Got this gap to target now. Reverse, but then we have another gap, and yeah, that would get filled and the other hit as well. Delivering out the gap to go higher. Okay, I'll look for a higher. So this high, that would be my target. I will look higher here to this gap. Yeah. Okay, I'll look for lower in the hourly. Swipe that low. So I'm gonna target this gap. Now I'll probably get break even on this and close the target. Again, need to find just a better entry. Yeah, the trade would be swap this low, then to this high. Then lower again, but well, wouldn't reach my target. Like, pretty much the only thing that's 100% working out in my buys is like the first target. So like here we are looking for shorts to this gap on the 4 hour, on the hourly to this gap. And the shorts will work now past this, like here I would expect reverse. It doesn't work out. Okay. Yeah, like the bias was right here, but I just didn't see any lows like here, but they were probably here, so I could maybe like set the low here, target higher than to this high. It would be a trade. Now the 4 hour set I would look for shorts in here. I mean it worked out, yeah. Let's see if we get the high now. I will look for shorts. Yeah, this gaps gets taken. With the high, let's see if we get some lower. See if we get some shorts. Yeah, that worked out well. Went up into the gap, then off it lower. Very easy. Now I would look for longs. This gap worked out as well. Okay, let's see this low gets taken and from it higher. Now I would look for longs to this high. Yeah, and took it. The issue is I need to find a good enough entry, yeah, that I would not long right off here. I would be able to anticipate something like this candle, or I mean like just get a good enough setup that it won't form as the reverse actually happens. The low, let's see, we get high. So the low, I would look for longs like this gap. Okay, get this gap, longs to this gap. Yeah, wouldn't. We got another gap here that worked out to it. So I'll look for shorts. Yeah, I think next session I will already finish with this. Like I would look for shorts of that, yeah. Just down to the low. I will create a new low, so of that. If we get some shorts of this gap, yeah. And look for lower. Early, let's see. Look for higher here to this high. Yeah, wouldn't get the trades this day. Like I mean, I could try get along, but it would be a loss. Look for higher to here. Early. See. We'll need some retracement for that now. And I'll look for shorts here, and again, no like setup here. Not setup, but like my trade will not happen, or win at least. We'll look for shorts here to the slow, taking the low. Shorts to this gap, taking the gap. Swap the hourly low, and I'll look for higher here. Okay, let's see. I would look for long steady gap, and yeah, that would work out well. I'll look for lower to this low. Now get this gap. I would get eventually a trade. After this low gets swept, I'll look for higher. So we didn't take the low, but we are going higher. Look for lower of that. Got the trade, probably like here. Look for higher. Got this gap. Works out. I'll look for shorts here. Oh, session closing. Got this gap. I'll target. Yeah, I would get in the trade. Look for lower here to the low. No trade, I mean not a winning one at least. I'll look overall for lower this day. Now for higher to this gap. Create a new gap. No trades, at least not a winning one. Into the 4 hour. Look for lower here. Nice, and from it I look for this high to get taken. Will be a win. I'm gonna end it in a second. In the 4 hour, I'll overall look for longs. I'll look for longs. Not we took the low. Damn. Okay. We got the gap. I could have like long too, but besides that, nothing. So the low, I look for higher to this gap. Not to sell the low, I look for higher. For now to this high, it would have worked out. I'll look for a short to this gap. Well, it wouldn't have worked out. Well, anyways, I'm gonna finish here for today. I go to sleep now. Didn't get any trades today. Got small loss kind of in one of the accounts and break even on all of the others. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today.